Vegidair is the next big thing in your kitchen. It's the first built-in herb garden that fits into standard kitchen cabinets. With the Vegidair 1, you can grow up to 16 plants at home, 365 days a year. It's as easy as ABC. You just need to add the growth media, sow the seeds from the kit, or even just seeds you bought from your local garden center. Then you add nutrients, and you pour water into the 8-liter water tank, and that's it for the next 4 weeks. It consists of a hydroponic ebb and flow system, as well as a water pump that mimics nature's wet and dry cycle for the plants. So the seeds will sprout pretty quickly, and you should get your first harvest within 4 to 6 weeks. Now you have an herb garden in your kitchen, you're ready for a brand new way of eating. You are your own farmer. You know where your food comes from. It's ultra fresh, there are no pesticides, you just harvest what you need, and you don't generate any waste. And it's healthy and tasty. With Vegidair, you'll take your meal to the next level with incredibly fresh and tasty leafy plants.
Hello, I'm Yannick, the founder of Vegidair. Currently, we are producing our herb gardens in small batches. With your contributions, we will be able to meet rising demand by creating molds needed for the mass production. Please join us in the next level of the homegrown food revolution. Thank you all.
Be a food activist. Be a food revolutionary. Back us today on Kickstarter.